CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.2 Compare and contrast components of an operating system. Services. A service is a software program or function that runs in the background of a computer or device, providing specific tasks, functionalities, or capabilities to support the operating system or applications. You can think of services as dedicated helpers that work behind the scenes to manage and coordinate various tasks on our devices. They provide fundamental functionalities that allow us to interact with our computers and perform everyday activities effortlessly. From managing hardware resources like memory and processing power to handling software applications and user interfaces, OS services are the unsung heroes that make our digital experiences possible. Another essential feature of services is that they can be configured to start automatically when the computer is booted up. This, in turn, allows certain applications to run without requiring manual intervention from the user each time the computer starts. As a user, OS services are indispensable because they simplify our computing experiences and shield us from the complexities of hardware and software interactions. They ensure that our devices run smoothly and provide a user-friendly environment where we can work, play, and communicate effortlessly. Imagine trying to print a document without the device management and print spooler services, or accessing your photos without the file management service. Now that would be a challenging and frustrating experience. Thanks to these OS services, we can focus on what we want to achieve without worrying about the technical intricacies happening beneath the surface. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.